Good day, ADC community, and welcome to my channel. The date is August 4, 2022. For this video, I will be demonstrating how I sharpen a certain kind or a certain profile of a blade, which is called the TANTO. Okay, which I have here in front of you. For this demo, we will be or I will be demoing how I sharpen this Tanto blade. This blade is by Coldsteel. This is a Coldsteel Kobun, right? You would immediately see that this is a Tanto style, right? A modern Tanto. Traditionally, the Tanto is a Japanese design. Modern applications na ngayon is, or the modern design or the modern look of the Tanto is like so. It has a plain edge running a certain degree towards the end, and then towards the end abruptly mag-change siya ng angle. So you have like two sharp edges, this one and this one going to the point. So some of you might say that it looks kind of tactical. That the word I would be using is tactical, no? But yeah, okay, moving on. This is the Tanto profile. It has a long edge, and then it abruptly angles towards the point. Applications of a Tanto is, well, this is a piercing weapon. Take note, I call it a weapon. So for those with knife collections, I would assume that you are responsible owners as well. And so, therefore, syempre dapat meron tayong certain level of discipline towards this, no? And since this is a really nice hobby for some of you into the knife collecting hobby, you would understand that the blades speak to us, no? Not all of us would want all kinds of blades or knives, no? Some of us would gravitate towards a certain kind of blade style or blade type. I gravitate towards the Tanto and the Karambit. Okay, so like I said, ang gagawin natin ngayon is that we will be sharpening a Tanto blade, alright? It is not as simple or easy, or not really easy. It's not easy, but it has an extra step because we are basically going to sharpen two edges, with the long part and the short angled part. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed. What I use is a whetstone. All right. The specifications of the whetstone is ipiprint ko sa bottom of the screen, but basically it's just a simple coarse and fine whetstone. And gagawin natin is first off, we will be wetting it, or momoisten natin, lalagyan natin ng water, okay, to let the water soak into the stone, and para mas maganda ang sharpening ng blade. Right, going back to the Tanto. Okay, so this is the blade. And para do sa mga hindi pa nakakapag-sharpen ng blades, there is a technique. You could also see it in other YouTube videos, but the technique goes for going at an angle, all right, against relative to the whetstone or to the sharpening element. All right, so you will approach the blade, or you will put the blade on the whetstone at a 45-degree angle. Okay, for example, this is 45-degree. If you find the approximate of the 45-degree, half mo pa yan. So you will be doing like 22 degree, 15 to 22 degrees. So ganyan. So just imagine, parang put your thumb on the whetstone as well as the knife, and let it lie there. So yan, halos nakahiga na siya, and that's an approximation. Alright. So ito papakita ko, no? Halimbawa, this is the whetstone. Alright. For example, this is a flat surface, and this is the blade at 45. Okay, and you have the 45, so you do at 20. Okay, Tapos you put yung thumb mo dito as sort of a guide, and then proceed now with the strokes or the cycles. You would want to do uh, even strokes, both left and right, or when I say on both sides. So if you did X number of strokes on this side, you will do the same number of strokes on the other side. All right. And like I said, since this is a tanto, the extra step is after doing this side and this side, I will also be sharpening this side as well. All right, and doing it at an angle as like so. Okay, so papakita ko na, no? So 45, and yan. Maraming parang nga pala, maraming mga sharpening elements dyan, no? But this is the most convenient and cheapest, no? And I would say this is nakakatulong talaga sa mga sa skills mo, no? Since not everything is available. A stone or a whetstone or a soft stone is most available around. So let's proceed. So I will do 10 strokes on this side. All right. So ang gagawin ko is like this, and I will want to catch all of this in in the stroke. All right. So yun. Nakuha ko na siya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side. All right, so even 10 strokes on one side, 10 strokes on the other side. Okay, you're gonna want this depending sa'yo, no? If you want X number of repetitions, pwedeng tatlong tens, or whatever, as long as kaya mo or as long as gusto mo, no? So, sige, let's proceed now with the short edge, okay? Dito lang, approximate mo na lang, no? Ang whetstone doesn't have like the safety features of other sharpening tools there that you would find sa market, no? I believe Forged has, and also Lazada has, and yeah, look at those sites lang. I'll also be sharing those links to you on the screen. All right, so let's proceed now with the short edge. You're gonna want to do an angle or an arc, not just straight, or at least that's what I'll do. Okay. Mapapansin nyo na nagiging dark or nagkakaroon ng marks yung whetstone. That means that's the metal being filed off for the sharpening. Okay, now for the other side. One, two, 1, 2. Okay, let's test this on a piece of paper. Right, this is a receipt paper. Let's do two kinds of paper now. Okay, this one. Tingnan natin. Okay, sharp. How about ito? Yung medyo makapal na part ng pad. Yeah, sharp. Okay. The first stroke I didn't really push through, pero yun. It's actually sharp. So yeah, that is demonstration kung paano one way how to sharpen your blade, specifically the Tanto style blade. Thank you for watching. The next video I will be making is another blade type that I like, which is the karambit. So abangan nyo yun, and that's it. Peace out and stay safe.